In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google form in mobile. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is to open our web browser. Now just type into link Google Forms. So now what we want to do is just select the Google Forms website. So here, so as you can see, you will be redirected to the Google Form editor. So for example, this is a title. Let's just type in contact info. Contact info. So you can also add a form description, depends on you. Now here, just write in the first question, let's say name. Now just select short answer because name isn't in multiple choice. So just select or tap here the required because this is a required question. Now to add a new question, just tap on the plus icon in the lower left corner of the screen. Now let's type in gender and select multiple choice. So in option 1, let's just set it to male and add another. And from here, just set it to female. Also, let's make this a required question, and so on and so forth. You can add any questions you like. And after that, if you want to send this to a certain amount of people, you just want to tap on the arrow icon in the top side of our screen. So now we can either send this via email or tap here to send it as a link. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.